Welcome to the KIP Color Series Toner Hopper installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to install the toner hopper into a KIP 600 series printer. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP Color Series service manual. Required equipment: a Phillips head screwdriver. On the left side of the printer, remove the tape from the hopper motor harness and place the harness inside the opening. Once inside, connect the hopper motor harness. When attaching the toner hopper, you will want to fit the bottom hook of the toner hopper into the rectangle opening on the machine's side frame, and at the same time, insert the toner supply duct into the receptacle on the developer unit. Once the toner hopper is seated correctly, secure it with two 4x10mm screws. Loosen one screw on the toner hopper motor assembly and one screw on the toner hopper. Rotate the locking bracket to the toner hopper and tighten both screws. Watch the next video in our KIP 600 series installation playlist. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP Color Series service manual.